Hello, my dear students. Today, I'm going to discuss about self-introduction, importance of self-introduction, as well as how you can do self-introduction so that you can be successful in your life. So let us go into the presentation. So here, self-introduction is very, very important. In several situations, it is going to be important. So today's session, we are going to discuss about the importance of self-introduction, elements of a good self-introduction, tailoring self-introduction to the audience, practice exercises, overcoming nervousness, examples of effective self-introduction, and feedback and evaluation. So what is self-introduction? Self-introduction is nothing but the act of introducing oneself to others, typically in a professional or social context. So when we meet someone, either it can be in a social meeting or a social gathering or in an interview or in the office or in the college or in the home or anywhere, when you're meeting somebody new, you need to introduce yourself. So that is a very, very important skill one should possess. And it is an important skill to have because it allows individuals to establish a connection with others. Because, when we talk to people, there should be a connect. People also should feel, yes, I need to talk to this person. I have something from this person. I will be benefited from this person. So this is something which we need to create an inquisity in them. Like they should be having some interest in knowing about you, because only then you will be able to achieve something in life. So whomever we meet, we need to develop a connect for which your self-introduction is going to be very, very useful. And especially for students in job interviews, self-introduction is the key component because first impression is the best impression. So when you start introducing yourself to the interview panel, you should be able to impress them. They should feel, yes, I need to recruit this person to my company, and this company will be benefited because of this person. So you have to create an impact with the company or in the interview. So in job interviews, the self introduction is the key component of the interview process because it allows the interviewer to get to know the candidate and assess their fit for the role. So they will know whether you are fit for the role or not. So that depends upon what you talk to the interviewer, what you tell the interviewer about you. And a well-crafted self-introduction can communicate relevant skills and experience and demonstrate enthusiasm for the position and distinguish the candidate from other applicants. So there may be hundreds of people applying for a job. The interviewer may feel like, why should I select you? In what way you are going to do something good for me? Then you should have an answer for that. That answer is nothing but your skills, your expertise, your talent, your interest, your projects, or whatever you have done in your curriculum or beyond curriculum, which is going to help the company to have you in their company as one of their employee when compared to all other applicants. And then coming to networking events. So networking is one thing which is very, very essential. We need to get connected with people so that you will get some benefit out of them in one day or the other. They may be giving you a job opportunity, they may be giving you a knowledge opportunity, or many, many things you can share between people. So when a student goes out for a seminar or a conference or a symposium, meet different people in different colleges, they need to develop their networking connect. They need to get network, have a contact with the person so that you will share information and it will be very, very useful for you in future. And a strong self-introduction can communicate professionalism, expertise, and personality and can set the stage for a productive conversation. In social gathering. Again, in social gathering also, we may meet in marriage functions or in some parties or in birthday functions or something or the other. We meet new people and we need to get connected with them. We may be talking to them on similar notes or some similar interest. You don't know how they will be helpful for you. So you have to establish something in common and you need to talk to them, which will interest them also. And then you can share information about yourself, expressing the interest in others. Because, when two people are talking to each other, within few minutes only, you will understand what is their area of interest. So based on that, if you also have something common, you can talk to them. Maybe you're interested in sports, they are also interested in sports. You're interested in some technology, they are also interested in some technology. Or you're interested in something else and they also fall in the same interest. Then people will be interested to talk to you. Overall, the self-introduction is an important skill to have in variety of context, and it allows individuals to communicate their identity and establish a connection with others. So this is very, very important. Now let us see the key elements of good self-introduction. So first one is confident tone. People should be able to talk in a confident tone, and start your self-introduction with a confident tone. And this will help to grab the attention of your audience and make a positive first impression. As I said, first impression is the best impression. So if you are able to talk to people and get their attraction or connect with you, then they will be able to listen to you further. Then use your name. Introduce yourself by stating your name, and this will help others to address you properly. Remember your name too. And background. Provide relevant information about yourself, such as your background, education, or work experience, depending upon to whom you're talking to. And this will help others to understand your perspective and relate to your experiences. Suppose you're going for a job interview, then you can tell what all you have done in your college days, what are experience you have. Small things also you can relate and tell that, yes, I have an experience in these areas. I have conducted some programs. I have taken a leadership role. I have been a very good event manager. Event management I have done. So like this, you can give several options. Then achievements. You would have achieved so many things. Maybe it is sports or extracurricular, co-curricular, speech competition, essay writing competition, or drawing, sketching, poetry writing, whatever it is. Please do mention all your achievements in your talk. Then your goals. Share your future goals and aspirations. So goal setting is very, very essential for every individual. And you need to be clear with your goal and focus on your goal and work towards reaching that goal. And this will help others to understand your motivations and what drives you. Then engaging hook. Hook is nothing but getting connected. So end your self-introduction with an engaging hook that will leave a lasting impression on your audience. And this could be thought-provoking statement, because when you talk something and leave the room also, people should be connected to your talk. So to that extent, you will be able to talk. Then remember, one good self-introduction should be concise. People should not be talking for hours together. It should be short and sweet and to the point and delivered with confidence. This is very, very important. And by following these key elements, you can make a positive, memorable impression on your audience. Then tailor your self-introduction to the audience and context. So tailor-made means what? You have to talk based on who is your audience. So understand your audience, do some research on the audience to whom you're going to talk. So based on that, you have to prepare your self-introduction. Then focus on your experience. So depending on the context, focus on different aspects of your background or experience that are most relevant to the situation. And for example, if you're introducing yourself at a job interview, focus on your relevant work experience and skills. You're going for a marketing job, tell everything, whatever you have done on a marketing related job roles or sales, what you're good at, what are your past experiences, achievements, everything will add value to your job. Then highlight your interest. So every one of you will have some interest. So if you have a common interest with your audience, mention them in your self-introduction. So this will help and establish a connection and build rapport with the audience. And use appropriate language. So use language that is appropriate for your audience and context. And for example, if you're introducing yourself to a group of professionals, use professional language and avoid slang or jargon like you talk to your friends. And be concise. You have to be crisp. So keep your self-introduction concise and to the point, and avoid providing too much of information or going off the topic, as this can lose the interest of your audience. So now you students, you have to prepare all these things and get ready for your self-introduction. Personal profile, who you are, what is your background, what is that you can tell about yourself, what are your strengths, what are your weaknesses, what is that you are interested about, what is your education, what are your skills, what are your work experience, suppose if you have something, what are your achievements, what are your hobbies, list each and everything, and then you will be able to introduce yourself. And remember, tailoring your self-introduction to the audience and context can help you make a stronger connection with your audience and leave a lasting impression. So by understanding their interest and needs and focusing on the most relevant aspects of your background and our experience, you can deliver a self-introduction that resonates with your audience. What is resonating? It is something like reverberating again and again. So it will keep, the people cannot forget what you spoke. It will be running around in their mind. Then practice ahead. So if you're feeling shy or if you're feeling nervous, practice ahead. Don't get scared. Don't get nervous. Practice n number of times as much as you become confident, and focus on breathing and body language. So this is also very, very important. Take deep breaths and focus on your body language to help calm your nerves, because you should look good. You should look peaceful. Only then people will get attracted to you. And stand up straight, make eye contact, and use confident gestures to convey your message. And reframe nervousness as excitement. So instead of viewing nervousness as a negative feeling, reframe it as excitement. So recognize that feeling nervous can be a sign that you care about making a good impression, and use that energy to channel your enthusiasm and passion for what you're introducing. Don't get scared of anybody. Just go ahead and visualize success. So you have to visualize. Suppose you're sitting for a job interview. Don't get nervous. Just you focus on, if you get a job, how it would be, how much salary you're going to get, how your family surroundings will be improving, what is the level you are going to take your family to once you get the job. So visualize your success, automatically your nervousness will go and you will perform well in the interview. And start with a strong hook. That means get connected quickly and grab the attention of the audience, and use a thought-provoking statement or question to engage your audience and set the tone for your self-introduction. And examples of effective self-introductions, I'm going to tell about some diploma students. So this can be replaced with engineering and other groups also. So this is one example. Hi everyone, my name is Pavan and I'm a diploma student in electrical and electronics engineering. I have a passion for renewable energy and have completed several projects related to solar power systems. I'm excited to be here today to learn more about how we can use technology to create a more sustainable future. So this is one example. Similarly, hello, my name is Bhargavi. I'm studying for a diploma electrical engineering. I have experience working with electronics and have completed several courses in circuit design. I'm here today to connect with other electrical engineering professionals and learn from their experiences. Next one. Hi, I'm Sandeep, and I'm a diploma student in electrical engineering. I have a strong interest in robotics and have completed several projects related to autonomous systems. I'm here to learn more about the latest developments in robotics and connect with other engineers who share my passion. Good afternoon, my name is Akshaya and I'm studying for a diploma in electrical engineering. I have experience working with power systems and I've completed several courses in power electronics. I'm here today to network with professionals in the industry to learn from their experience. And thank you so much, my dear students. Do the homework as I said and come back to me so that I'll help you to prepare your self-introduction. Okay? Customized to you individually. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Stay blessed.